Hey there, culture explorers. Ready to take your taste buds on a global adventure? Today, I'm counting down the top 11 dishes from around the world that you absolutely can't miss. So, buckle up and let's dive in. First stop, Africa. Ever heard of bobo tie from South Africa? It's a deliciously spiced minced meat dish topped with an egg-based custard, sweet and savory. Onwards to Egypt. Kushari made with rice, pasta and chickpeas topped with a tangy tomato sauce. It's comfort food at its finest. Next up, South Sudan. Combo with meat or without. The stew is made with okra, greens, peanut and salt called combo. Simple, yet incredibly flavorful. Now, let's hop over to Asia. Thailand's pad thai is a must-try. Stir-fried rice noodles, shrimp, tofu and peanuts, all tossed in a tangy tamarind sauce. Mouth-watering. China's Peking duck is legendary. Crispier skin than you'd ever imagine, served with pancakes, hoisin sauce and spring onions. An absolute treat. Europe, here we come. From the United Kingdom, fish and chips is a classic. Golden battered fish with chunky fries, often served with mushy peas and tartar sauce. Simple, yet so satisfying. Italy's risotto, particularly the saffron-infused risotto alla Milanese, is pure creamy goodness. Rich, velvety and utterly luxurious. Down under to Australia, ever tried a meat pie? Flaky pastry filled with minced meat, gravy and sometimes cheese. Perfect for a quick snack or a hearty meal. Jumping over to North America and the Caribbean. From the United States, you can't miss out on barbecue ribs. Slow-cooked, fall-off-the-bone meat, slathered in a smoky, tangy sauce. Finger-licking good. Jamaica brings us jerk chicken. Marinated in a spicy mix of allspice and Scotch bonnet peppers, then grilled to perfection. A flavor explosion in every bite. Last but not least, South America. Brazil's feijoada is a black bean stew with pork, traditionally served with rice, collard greens and orange slices. A true culinary delight. And from Venezuela, arepas. These cornmeal cakes can be stuffed with anything from cheese to chicken. Versatile and absolutely delicious. There you have it. 11 incredible dishes from around the globe that you simply can't miss. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy eating. Catch you in the next video.